First of all, greetings to every ghetto youth. Mame, Parliament Zokatan Yina, so Tana Kuchana. Our first greeting channel to all the ghetto youth. Agbar Niyashama, big up to every ghetto youth who they push the brand Ojah drums for so many years, for a decade now. For more than 10 years now. And Ojah drums is still fresh and brand new in the system. Big up to everybody who have supported Ojah drums to this level. Pompon, ne tell to Amapone. First, ne zang blame Mazanti. Fancy management. Banaka ne zang first blame Mazanti. We don't want to pour the truth out. First blame my banka yenzanti. Ula so so Muhammad, no ula so ka yenzam blame Mazanti. I beg, make everybody share the video. Share the video. We want to speak out the real truth. Make people understand showbiz. I beg, share the video. I want to make the video go far. Man, I want to make everybody for watch them. Yeah, I want to make everybody watch the video. Yeah. The first, listen, no, I will take give fancy management. The blame give fancy management. Ask me, say why. Tenishiango, Tebanyar fancy, ka fancy nye local artists here. Tinyoro international artists. The likes of Davido, no many whiskey, no laka tinyoro kumpon. So if oyen yila lane mapune, can cut the face of the small boys. No, the bechang. The tune, but no, other small boy don't know Shagba. Can you young man don't explain to anybody because you owe nobody anything. You know they own anybody anything. Make no explain, give them. Anybody will want to make it go die. Make it go whole transformer then die. Make no explain, give anybody. Who will they explain, give? We will know who you be. Where will they push? As will they push you? Think you need to push you. Kada bonzo kata nam push la o. To nam push la me na face whiskey nama Davido nama. So if the management are not realizing that fancy no be the kind of artist, yam whiskey. If you do whiskey anything where be small oben garga da, he will never agree. So sapa yane, you know be everything where you for come out say you for one come express yourself. Nobody they need your expression. What we they need be say the way you they push the go top, you know. Continue because you have a lot where there your head inside where you for do. We still have a lot to do. So when we see you, then you go bring yourself low, steep low because of some small matters. And another talk say what in the column. Big up to DJ Mice. DJ Mice, big up. I salute you, DJ Mice. And I want to talk something. Another talk say maybe the Donzy no get something to talk about. Oh, he used to be human being. The Donzy be human being. He has something to talk about. But matters like this, you know, I don't think they should even come. It's about time fancy management get up, then protect this guy in brand. Because you be one asset, oh. You be one asset. We will not see you such, oh. So you don't have explanation to give to anybody. Because at the end of the day, you know, the people will take you, compare, you know. You know, be here, oh. So if the management is not seeing you such, will they call them attention? May they not say, you are not a small act. So stop dealing with small issues. Don't be dealing with small issues. The small issues, you know, leave and give the fans. The fans go do the work, give you. Don't come and explain yourself. You can't please everybody. See, but my love is shazon. Ninsaleti yane ya. No bo no pona unjili. Zanji. O kablo nyungwele. You know what I talk no? Ye ninsala. Otobo no pona unjili. Zanji. O kablo nyungwele. Because you know go do everything, give everybody you. You can't satisfy everybody. Those you go feel help, you know, you help. Those you know go feel help, you know, that be the way. I don't come here say, and I can't talk say what they don't see they do, no. You know, be into it, be human being. He can't say they come express himself. What you know go well. But what I'm just trying to tell you is that it's unnecessary. It was unnecessary. You should if you not go for that point. It be unnecessary. Because if you no go spark like the small boys have no go come even to the extent go talk certain things. Where at the end of the day, if they talk age-wise far, you grow past them. Though I not say showbiz be so. No. Your level will be here again. You see, Fancy, Macasio, Donzy, Charlie, the way you people, the way we they carry you people know. If you people for sit and think, you know be small with the carry you people for you. I go out a lot. Sometimes at my ghetto point, I go near Shama. Because it's fila. If you have a problem, anytime Fancy has a problem, the moment I go out, or I just go sit, anybody will come ask me the question. Do you know the reason why? Because they know he's close to me. We are close. So anybody will go see me, he will ask me, actually, what you're done, they do, no. And because we do the same work, no. If I want to sport Fancy, be my work where they sport. Because we are all doing the same work. Big up, big up. Watch out for my Billionaires Mindset EP. On the 3rd of August, which is my birthday, I'll make you guys do something, give me. I will throw my cover art come out. And I want to make everybody use the cover art. Take 10 in DP. Everybody for share them. Post them. Make you people use them. That be the only wish I wish for my birthday. Things what you go do give me for my birthday. This Wednesday. I go throw my cover art of the Billionaires Mindset. That be the BMX. So if you see I write BMX, meaning Billionaires Mindset. Is a comment box my opponent submit BMX. 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 Mbwana is a Sarala. Street. We put Fancy here. We put the Donzy here. Then we ask the whole Ghana. Who they know? This is the hard truth where I speak to you. Everybody go choose Fancy. Say be Fancy then no. Fancy you don't be here artist oh. Headline Yama in your Fancy. Macasio. Donzy. DJ. Wishat. Farlan. Tlanje. Nijeka Northern best rapper. Northern Beno. You guys are doing international music. And I'm Accra music. We they see you people big. And inshallah, I swear God, you guys all go grow. You guys all go far. You know what I talk no? So Tijene, let me tell you one thing. Fancy, here no be your level. Oh. You watch it and some of the boys, the distance be too wide. Make you not slow yourself down. Don't. Because one, if you and somebody where they and you fight, if the person is a gain, but you are not gaining. That's what I want to make you understand. No?